Oh, here's my little raised garden bed, you all. I know, when you live in the city, you gotta do what you gotta do. Let's walk up here and take a look. See, this is the supervisor, Queen Mama, right here. Say hi, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Yeah, I don't know what y'all can see. It's so much bright light out here. Lucky is sitting there with his nose on the Miracle Grow, checking it out. Look at him. We got tomatoes. We've got sunflowers. We got marigolds. We got drinks. We've got potatoes right there in that big truck wheel. Lettuce that got cracked with the flooding the other day. Pepper. All kinds of tomatoes and marigolds and some rogue plant right there. Got purple flowers on it and some other little plant. And yeah, I topped these up a little bit today with a little more dirt. And there's a little tiny bed right there we're waiting for some eggplant to grow so it can climb up this back deck railing. We've got lots of tomato plants, about 16 to 18 tomato plants that are probably too close together, but you know what? Hey, I'm excited about even having the room to do a garden. And this is a shelf that was on the side of the road that Russ put in his truck and hauled it back here for me. And this is a old barnwood shelf that Russ picked up for me, and it's just sitting back here with peppers, tomatoes, and sunflowers and marigolds in it. And back in there is a little bed of dirt for other things. And we've just got all kinds of stuff growing. Yeah. Onions, gladiolas, honeysuckle, those beautiful petunias, Mother's Day, and just because flowers and onions, and I think there's more potatoes right in there. Y'all, I don't know what you can see because the sun's so bright and I can't see anything on my phone. Oh, look at that pretty petunia Mama picked up and rescued it. It was dying and she picked it up and put it in the dirt. Look at it. Can you see it? Okay. So, that's it. Hi, kitty. Lucky you didn't see that kitty, did you? Are you ready? Let's go in the house.
Am I going to get out?
Yeah, I'm going to get you out. Let me open the gate. Let Mama out. I got to get the gate. Here's your walking stick, my love. Okay, guys, we're heading into the house. Lucky has been sitting out here enjoying this wonderful little weather. Look at our little chicken wire that we have to keep out big dogs and stuff. And I've got it hooked up over here. And I'm going to bring it around so Mama can get out. Here she comes. Oh, look at them. Oh, watch your head. Right there. Okay, guys. There we go. Lucky, follow Mama. Go with Mama. Go. Go. Okay, guys, I gotta come back and get the chair. Maybe I'll leave the chair for a while. I might leave the chair out here, you guys. So we can just come back out here later when the sun goes down and water everything. Okay. And here's our little gate thing. Keep it safe and sound in here. I'm gonna plug it down in that. Okay, there we go. You ready, honey? Go with Mama. Hurry. I can't go, guys. I gotta get our water. Lucky's looking at his chair like, wait, isn't that my chair? Oh wait, come on, let me video it. Hang on, guys. Mama found a 4-leaf clover. Come on, Lucky, let's walk. You want me to pick it up? You see it? Oh, a big one. Here, hold the water. Oh, well, that's mine. Here's yours. Oh, okay, you got it? Mama's got, she said she found a 4-leaf clover, and she did, y'all. Look at it. Look how that little leaf just malformed its way on there.
Yeah,
See it?
I see it.
Look at it. We're going to put it in your song book. Let me hold on to it. Okay, now give me the water. Lucky, wait for us. Okay, we're coming. We'll be there. He's so funny. There goes Mother Deer.
She's a dragon. She's come.
Hey, she's on her way. Got you some ice water here. Okay, take your time.
Not my life, not my time. Unless there's another 4-leaf clover.
Uh-oh, my goodness, where? Are you sure? I don't see it. Don't fall. Three? Oh, that's got 3. Yeah. Hey, well, if there's one, there's more. That's the truth. You know it.
Amen.
What's that out here, guys? In the sun.
She's up there.
Just having a little bit of vitamin C. Vitamin D. Vitamin D. We were getting something. We were getting something, weren't we? Whew. Guys, I don't know what you can see out here, but I've got to go unlock the door and get us in the house. I'm trying to figure out what we can cook for supper. But, oh, Mama, be careful. Watch your step. We're coming around. She's coming around the building. Come on, Lucky Pantses. Mama's getting her some exercise. Lucky said, I'll just water the grass. He is. Come on around that corner there. Be careful. Well, I don't know whose that is. But here, we've got Mama's Gladiolas. And what else is growing there? Gladiolas and 4 o'clock. Yep, there's a 4 o'clock over there. This is a honeysuckle bush. And over here, Mom, it's an egg. It's a baby egg. No, don't touch it, Lucky. Oh, get it, Mommy, get it. Oh my goodness. Did it crack?
No, it didn't crack.
It hasn't cracked.
It's cold though.
Oh, somebody knocked it out of the nest. I bet you all of them hatched but that one. Oh, we better not keep it. It'll stink. Let's put it in the window. And there's Mama's little bitty tiny things that are growing right here. Let's see. Here, we can put it right down in here. I wonder if they just hatched that out. Laid it. Oh, I wonder. That's sadness. Stinking bird thief. That's what it was. Trying to steal. Oh. I'm going to put it right over here in the baby bed. And there's Mama's little tiny plants that are trying to muster up some growth right here in this stroller, y'all. She planted them the other day. Okay, you ready to go in? I'm coming to unlock the door.